This video would be an ultimate game changer for you if you want to make some money by participating in national level competitions. It is one of the biggest national level competition out there, the program the solution challenge from Google. So this has been announced and the total prize money would be, I tell you, it will be a total of 10 lakh rupees. This program is meant for students and those who are passionate about developing solutions and contribute by providing gaining hands-on experience and providing solution to problems. See, the eligibility criteria is flexible. You must be 18 years or older and you must be a currently enrolled student in a college or university, no matter from where you are coming, no matter what's your background is, but just your participation relies on these 5 criteria. The third one is you must form a team of participant 1 to 4 members, and one participant can join only one team. Lastly, you have to submit one project. So firstly you need to build a prototype. After the registration you will be building a prototype, and then you will give a live MVP link demonstrating code functionality of the product. Those who don't know, MVP stands for minimum viable product. Basically, treat it as a initial stage of development where you are just finding gathering feedbacks and before actual deployment for production. Second phase would be, let me tell you, you will be select if you selected and you are top 100, then you will refine your prototype submission. You will update a prototype link demonstrating improvements, etc. Your github account should be must, because then you will be uploading the GitHub repository reflecting all the improvement. That's why I'm saying from day one that make sure making GitHub account and start contributing to open source project, because they help you gain real world experience and expertise in tech field. Well, the phase third would also be virtual, and it's a grand finale, of course. The final prototype link would be submitted by you, and then you will be uh, telling everything, like right from the features, goals, technical implementation, and final demo video, which should not be more than 3 minutes in duration. See the evaluation criteria. The 40% of the total marks, you can say, you can assume marks of point whatever, will depend upon your technical merit. The 10% would depend upon user experience or UI. Okay, user experience. The 25% will be depending upon alignment with the cause, and innovation and creativity. This takes over, and this takes exactly 25% of the total points or marks. Here is a brief description of how you will be examined. Your project will be examined. Basically, this hackathon journey will comprise of 3 phases, which I have already discussed. And the panel of judges would also be high level authority or officials from Google, and top teams will compete for prizes, recognition, opportunities, and to further accelerate their innovative ideas. One thing more can be one interesting FAQ. Yeah, you can register solo for this hackathon. Suppose you are an introvert student, then you can participate in this hackathon. If you do not want to make a team, then also you can participate. This hackathon is being conducted it is listed on Hack2Skill, which is a renowned hackathon platform. See the roadmap here. The registration began on 6th of March 2026. Prototype submission 13th of March 2026. Prototype evaluation 29th of April 2026, and live hosting of the project 30 May. So still you have like more than a month left for prototype evaluation, so it's time for you to just submit your prototype. And when you are in the top 100, then also your you will be on cloud 9, because telling from experience, these hackathons are fully sponsored. You get fully funded trip, as well as stay in a 5-star hotel in most of the cases. I'm generalizing this thing, okay? And when it comes to Google, then they leave no stone unturned, making students happy throughout the process. When you will be registering now, you will have to create a Google developer profile and make it public. So make sure creating a Google developer profile by visiting this link, and make sure you and sign up with the same email address you used for hackathon. Full name, and you will entering full name and email of yours, and you have to register before 15th of April 2026. And you can follow the step-by-step guide to create and make your profile public by clicking the link here. And you have to enter your WhatsApp number, If your alternate number is same as, then click here, enter your DOB, date of birth. You must be between 18 to 30 years of age, your gender, and your country, state or province or city, whatever, like basic details, and your occupation, of course college student, your name, which college do you study, which university do you study, your country, and in the degree, stream, specialization, and pass out year. So this opportunity is meant for 2022 passed out, graduated batch and above. Okay, and you have to include your LinkedIn profile. They have also provided us a sample example of a LinkedIn profile, and you will have to provide your college ID card. Over here you have to upload a public upload a link of your Google developer profile, which you have which you must create before participating, because that is essential for the participation. And then you will have to select whether you were referred to this hackathon by a GDG on campus organization, yes, organizer, yes or no, and you can enter the referral code here. It isn't mandatory at all, so for time being I am just marking it no, and click on this and click on register now. You may also go through each and every like terms and condition in detail by clicking over here. That is all about this hackathon, this solution challenge 2026. I hope you win this competition. Okay guys, wish you success.